What's up, team? Here's page 316, numbers 3 through 5. We have this picture here is given to you on the left-hand side of the page. Question 3, we're trying to find the measure of angle Q. Q's up here. We have the opposite, we have the adjacent. So this is going to be the tangent of Q equals the opposite leg length over the adjacent leg length. Now our Q is trapped inside the tangent function. Let's get it out. The way that we do that is we just take the inverse tan of both sides, inverse tan over here as well. These will cancel, and we learn that Q equals the inverse tangent of 65 over 33. Now from here, calculator, inverse tangent of 65 over 33 equals, we learn that the measure of angle Q equals 63.08 degrees. Boom, that's number 3. Number 4, we need to find the measure of angle R. We need to find it 2 different ways. Let's do the easy way first. We know that this is 63.08 degrees from here. So these 3 angles add up to 180 degrees. Take away 90 of that. So the difference between, so let's see, how do I say this? It's the measure of angle R is going to equal 90 minus 63.08 because these 2 must be complementary angles. So 90 minus 63.08. Measure of angle R equals 26.92 degrees. That's way number 1. It asks for 2 different ways. So here's the trig way. With angle R, we have the opposite, we have the adjacent. So it's going to be the same exact process we just did. We know that the tangent of R equals 33 over 65. This is opposite over adjacent. Again, inverse tangent of both sides. I'm not going to show all the pieces here. R equals the inverse tangent of 33 over 65. Now we go to our calculator. Inverse tangent 33 over 65 equals, the measure of angle R is 26.92 degrees. Bam. Next, let's find the length of QR. Again, 2 different ways. The first way, Pythagorean theorem. So that means 33 squared plus 65 squared equals, I'm going to call it C squared. I don't have these memorized. So 33 squared is 1089. 65 squared is 4225. C squared. So let's find 4225 plus 1089 equals, so C squared equals 5314. Square root of that now. Square root of 5,314. C equals 72.897. So 72.9. Great, that's the length of our hypotenuse. Now, one last way, we're going to find that same exact thing using trig here. We have options because we have both of our acute angles. We know this is 26 and change, and that one's 63. Let's use this one just for funsies. So we have the option to do opposite over hypotenuse. We can do adjacent over hypotenuse. We can choose. I'm just going to do opposite over hypotenuse because 33 is smaller than 65, but we could go the other way too. So let's say that sine of R, nope, hang on, not what I want to do, because we have what R is. This is what we would do if we were trying to find the measure of angle R. So this is going to be sine of 26.92, because we have that, equals 33, the opposite side, over the hypotenuse. Get the C out of the fraction here, multiply both sides by C. We learn that C times the sine of 26.92 equals 33. One more step. C equals, divide both sides by sine of stuff. 33 over sine of 26.92. In my calculator, 33 divided by sine of 26.92. I'm hopeful that it matches what I just had. I got 72.89. Actually, it's 72.9. It rounds 72.9. Boom. They match. We did it. We found the measure of angle Q using tangent, inverse tangent. We found the measure of angle R two ways, triangle sum theorem, and then we used tangent ratio. We found QR both by Pythagorean theorem, and then by using trig function. I thought this video would be shorter. Sorry about it. Let me know if you have questions.